Episode 5 of Chainsaw Man is named Gun Devil. I think that's gonna be a problem. Are they gonna fight a gun devil? Either they're gonna fight a gun devil or they're gonna have a gun devil on their side. There's no in between. There just isn't. And I'm really concerned how they're gonna handle this. I'm excited to jump into it. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. If you're not, thank you so much for like watching my videos and enjoying everything along with me. I really do appreciate it. And if by the end of the video you like the content and are interested in watching my full-length commentary and helping me choose what I'm going to be watching next regarding shows and movies, the link to my Patreon will be down below in the description, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into Chainsaw Man episode 5, Gun Devil. All right, let's get into this. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we left off on the fondling. Did he do it? Oh, he didn't do it yet. The moment he's... I like how they try to make her boobs even bigger for the shot. He's gonna be like, that's it? They're fake. He's gonna be like, I don't want to now. Oh, never mind. Meowie was ready. Yeah, that's literally it. That's why everybody thinks it's so ridiculous, because it's not that big of a deal. You don't risk your life for that. There's implications to everything you do. So now you feel empty. You don't have a goal now? That's exactly how it works. That's what a lot of people deal with. They're happy for the chase, but not when they obtain it. Oh, so now she's trying to get him to have another goal so he feels... So he feels motivated to work. What if he didn't wash his hands, girl? Now he has a new goal. There you go. She's clever. That scene was done so well. I don't like the face he's making. Yup, it was all a ploy. Of course it would be in America. The Gun Devil would be in America. Finally, a worthy opponent. That's what she said, yes. He's so simple-minded, she knows how to control him. Is this Hayakawa? It's beautiful. Where's the house? There's a road that leads to nowhere. It has no length. What? I mean, it has length. It's just no. What? It doesn't go to the house and it doesn't go to the main road. Oh. What? What just happened? How did he do that? Train a little bit more. Ew. I called it was him. So it's just a normal devil. Gotta go. He really knows how to handle kids. He's a filler, dude. He's gonna die. That guy's so gonna die. I know it. Being alive is a reward right now. Tenji.
やる気はあっから銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしねえエッチなことは理解し合った人間
Oh my god
ベロ入れたキスして
Why is he making those sounds?
男の子からかうのが一番面白いや。
危険だ。
He just has an axe.
それをどうぞのチンピラに唇を奪われる。
Oh, he likes her.
アキ君は死なないでね。
姫野、お前の新しいバディだ。
私のバディ、アキ君は死なないでね。
They go a ways back. Okay, 6 partners and they all died. Sometimes it makes me think, you know, maybe there's a common denominator there. Is there something you're doing?
来る。
I would kill it just because it looks like that.
わしにビビって浮き合ったわ。私は幽霊の悪魔と契約してるの。
So they each have contracts.
ゴーストの右手を使えるってわけ。私のゴースト。
That is pretty awesome, to be honest with you.
強い反応はなし。
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言って武器を引っ込めな。触れない。
お前たちまだ悪魔が潜んでるんだぞ。
I see. There's an illusion. They just got back on the same floor. It's like they're trapped in the same place.
階段を登りましたよね。
見間違いじゃねえの？
何かがおかしい。
作ってみて。
It's not those illusionary stairs that those architects made, is it?
荒井君、
Guys are trapped.
今は。
I can't believe I'm simping so hard for this show. Chainsaw Man episode 5 definitely had heavy power influences. We see that Denji in power and they're literal children. They have to be kept in check by like the adults. I just think their dynamic is so funny. The biggest thing was that they have a goal and it's to destroy the Gun Devil because the Gun Devil came through, mass murdered, like I think it was like 1 million people or like 500,000 people or just a lot of people, like hundreds of thousands of people in like a second, not even a second, kind of a second, just very quickly. And they basically have, if you have pieces of this little flesh, you can kind of attract that piece of flesh to the other flesh. So he's obviously regenerative. So it seems like if you blow him up, he can come back together based off of that fact alone and exactly how they're trying to find him. But now they're working on trying to kill this other devil who's eaten a bigger piece of the Gun Devil's flesh. The devil that ate the flesh, it has now put an illusion and now they're like stuck on one floor and they're gonna find this devil because he's clearly on the floor, but a lot of them I feel like are inexperienced enough and are gonna die from this. This is gonna be I think the next episode is gonna be super gory and super gross. That's just my prediction. I think it's gonna be super chaotic and I'm a little anxious to think about it, but again, love the episode, love the show. The show is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Let's check it out. 3, 2, 1, go. You guys have to stay on the same floor.
降りていったよね。ダブルピースでじっとしてて。ありゃりゃ。
Isn't there an entire stairwell that has this conceptual illusion? I remember seeing like the science on it or like how it was designed to look like that. It could just be that crazy architecture student's design. Maybe that could be the case. Maybe they just walked in on an art installation. How about that?
おい、向かいの部屋に通じてるぜ。
They're trapped.
8階から。
They're gonna have to fight their way out.
部屋や窓からは外に出られない。
パワーがさっきの悪魔殺しちまったからじゃねえのか？
力は悪魔が死ねば解除されるから。
I was just gonna say that. I was thinking that. Like, their power has to stop after they die.
さっきの悪魔をおとりにまんまとはめられた私たち。
Oh, she's so gonna be like the first to go. She's too like unsure. She's gone.
大学に行かせたいんだろ？
半分無理やりなんです。
They're giving her a backstory. Yep, we're gonna learn about her, and then she's gonzo.
風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。国行きたかったんです。
Honey, that's so sad.
笑うな！
怖がってたら相手の思うツボだよ。
部屋の時計、さっきから8時18分です。
They like eights.
悪魔の力で時間が止まっている可能性があります。助けは来ないかもしれません。
Oh, they're trap.
じゃあ寝放題じゃねえか。
That's the first thing I would think of too.
俺たちはここで。
ならねえかもしれねえだろ。こんないいベッドがあんだ。寝なきゃ損だね。
He's also not used to these beds.
ネット。
そろそろ起きて。みんな参ってきてるんだよ。
わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。人間はわしにひれ伏すじゃろうて。
How? What? How are you gonna win a Nobel Nice.
人間が苦しんでる姿が見たいからの。
That's a priority, I
100%
guess.
じゃ
What? That's ultimate evil. Nobel Prize for 100%. She's gonna sue 100% sales tax? That is... I have never seen an anime be more real.
それあいつと同じタバコじゃん。
そりゃあきくんにタバコの味私だもん。前のバディの彼女さ、私に当たるの。
What's he gonna say?
何してきたの？
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやった。
Oh, that's actually pretty cool and really passive aggressive and funny.
あいつは服についてるガムに気づかず生きていくんだ。
1本あげる。
1本だけ吸ってやる。
I don't know about last, based on how they talked about it.
タバコ残ってます。
Nope, yep,
だ
yep.
ね。
There you go.
しょうがないな。
キスだ！ずるい！関節キスだ！
No, it's not. They've just been like partners for a while. Who cares?
大きくなってる。
Finally, he comes out. Why and how do they know who Denji is? Please don't open the door. They're gonna have a heart attack.
食わせろ。
Knock her out again, yeah.
コン、やっぱり狐は来ませんね。
It just gets bigger the more you hurt it. Is the whole entire hallway and hotel the heart?
どうせ俺を殺しても外にはだ。
契約ってあの悪魔は言ったでしょ。悪魔が使う契約って言葉には
The devils have a code? Are you trying to tell me that?
外に出た後に対策を練ればいい。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。
わしは殺す派じゃ。
She would.
外に出られなければ発表できないからな。
She just wants to raise sale tax.
俺たちはデビルハンター。殺すのは悪魔だけだ。
暇だから押し相撲するか。
Power's so funny. She is such a menace.
実際なんか外に出る作戦はあるの？
悪魔の言葉を信じるなら奴を殺すことはできない。
Now you can find his heart.
どうしようもなくなったら刀を使います。
それはダメ。
ベッドに置いておいた食料が。
I'm gonna say power. It always is.
貴様ら。
デンジが食べておったわ。
分かっちゃった。
That's not it at all. This girl's overthinking.
こいつは血の魔人で。
マジをかばうの。私たちデビルハンターなのに。
Who gave her the knife again?
スパイダー
Oh, I guess she wasn't the first one to go then. Oh no, never mind. I'm gonna stop talking because I'm just guessing everything wrong. There's gotta be a way out.
姫野先輩。姫野先輩。
何してんだ！
使うと契約でアキくんの寿命がかなり減るの。
And she cares too much about him.
おい、触んな！
Power's loving every second of this.
は
Wait! Wait!
銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている。銃の悪魔を殺せないんだ。立ち向かう気概のあるデビルハンターが。
こいつの血止められるか？
仕方なくやってやるわ。
どうしよう。
Now she's freaking out.
もし俺が悪魔をぶっ殺すようなことがあったらまだ忘れてねえからな。
He's gonna kill it.
チェーンソーになる。あの悪魔、俺のチェーンソーにビビってやがる。てめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだ。
Oh, makes sense. Denji, you got a point there.
あいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけて自殺させりゃいい。
I guess that's a way to think.
俺をかばいやがって余計なことすんじゃねえよ。
I mean, he just wants you to help him, so.
もううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
That's so scary. Oh, that's so scary. Oh. So I just finished episode 6 of Chainsaw Man, and the whole concept was that this devil really wants Denji dead, right? And it's like essentially what Denji explains at the end is there's a reason why this devil wants Denji dead so bad. It's terrified of him. It doesn't like pain, and he's afraid of his chainsaw. So that's why he wants the whole crew to take care of Denji for him so he doesn't have to deal with it, which is really smart. So I didn't expect intelligence from the demons. So this episode showed alone that these demons one, can do contracts where they have to kind of abide by them, and two, they're intelligent and they know what they're doing and they will mess with your mind. So that kind of adds to the story a little bit. Also, you know, it's pretty easy for, I feel like, for the hunters to kind of go against each other. It seems like this was very disorganized, and I feel like that's going to be an issue in the future, especially with the new recruits, like the two that we see here. They are super just scared of everything and they're just not gonna make it. You know, they mentioned that the hunters really don't survive that long. Those two will not. They just won't. Denji's definitely gonna last a long time because he is reckless and crazy and he has a screw loose, and that is exactly what devils are afraid of. So excited to see the whole action sequence that's gonna be in the next episode, because Denji is going to rip a new one in this devil and we all know it, and I cannot wait to see that. This thing deserves it because it's gross and nasty and I hate it. I want to see it get destroyed. Love that. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.